purifyou 100% sealed all-natural air purifier, and by purifyou is one of the best baby diaper pail deodorizers products. Backed by the manufacturer's 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose, so what are you waiting for? Purchase your set today. It's time to purify your nursery room and entire home from those wretched odors, with purifyou's all-natural odorless and hypoallergenic deodorizers. The manufacturer's deodorizers filter the precious air you breathe, and it works great in all corners of the home, from the diaper genie diaper pail to the family pet's favorite nap space. Superior filters, utilizing activated carbon technology, the manufacturer's eco-friendly air purifiers come from the finest non-toxic natural Mazo bamboo, a biodegradable and highly renewable resource. They consist of large-shaped porous granules, and a 99% nitrogen purity level, maximizing odor elimination and not just masking odors like so many other deodorizers available today. Get more, with a set of 12 and each sachet weighing in at 11 grams. The manufacturer's sachets have up to 25% more than other leading diaper pail sachets on the market. Each sachet is individually wrapped to ensure maximum freshness, so that your filters are only activated when you want them to be used. The manufacturer's sachets also come in a complimentary linen bag, so you can safely store your unused filters in style, and out of baby's reach. Easy to use, reclaim your baby's sanctuary, as well as your entire house in no time. Simply place a filter underneath your diaper pail's lid, using tape or diaper pail filter holder, underneath the diaper pail lining, in shoe closets, in the refrigerator, or near your pet's favorite corner, and voila! Your house once again belongs to you, your family, and those guests you've been wanting to invite over. Satisfaction today. If you're not happy, we're not happy. The manufacturer are confident that you will love the manufacturer's product, but if you're not completely satisfied with your order, simply return for a full refund or exchange within 30 days. And now for a limited time, enjoy the manufacturer's sale pricing.